Tired of manually entering new leads into your Notion workspace? Let's automate that process in under 90 seconds. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to automatically add new contacts to your Notion database using Zapier, a powerful automation tool. First things first, you'll need both a Zapier account and a Notion account. We'll be creating a Zap, which is essentially an automated workflow. Let's get started by clicking the Create Zap button in Zapier. Your Zap needs a trigger, the event that starts the automation. For this example, we're going to use Google Forms, so select Google Forms as your trigger app and choose the trigger event, New Form Response. Connect your Google Forms account, and then select the specific form you want to pull contacts from. This is where your new contacts will originate. Now for the action. What happens once the trigger occurs? We'll select Notion as our action app and choose the event, Create Database Item. This tells Zapier to add a new entry into your Notion database. Connect your Notion account and then select the Notion database you've prepared for your contacts. This is crucial. You'll then see a mapping section where you link the information from your trigger app, like the form fields, to the corresponding properties in your Notion database. For instance, you'll map the responder's name from your form to the name property in Notion, and their email address to your Notion email property. Fill in all the relevant fields to ensure data accuracy. Before you activate your Zap, it's essential to test it. Zapier will walk you through a test to ensure everything is connected correctly. Once the test is successful, you're ready to go. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've set up an automated workflow that will seamlessly add all your new contacts from your chosen source directly into your Notion workspace, saving you time and keeping your contact management efficient. Now, go automate your life.